Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and this time the Mustang is going for its four-wheel alignment on a new state-of-the-art wheel alignment machine. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please give me that thumbs up if you like this particular video. Let's go. So if you watch this channel before, you've probably seen that I've done a few things to the Mustang, which is number one, install the lowering springs. Number two was fit the IRS alignment bushing kit, and number three was recently I've just put the wheel spacers on the front because they were too far in. So after doing all of that, the next thing I absolutely need to do is take it to get the full four-wheel alignment, and that's where we're going to go today. We're now going to go to MOT 7 and they're going to do this alignment. I'm going to take you through the process and show you this new machine and exactly how they do it and what needs to be done. So this is the kit we'll be using today. Can't even say that. Ravaglioli. Well, this is a Bluetooth transmitter, so all of these actually transmit Bluetooth from the wheels back to the unit. So we're just going to set it up and program the car in there, and it'll tell us exactly what we need to set up. So as my 19-inch wheels, the first state is we need to adjust the wheel clamps to take a 19-inch wheel. That's one done. As you can see there, it's now set to take the 19-inch wheel. So the next step now is to get the equipment in place and the car over the inspection pit to make any adjustments required easier to get to. The car then has to be aligned to fit on these rotating plates so that the steering can be moved easier for the alignments. They then need to install the wheel clamps. These are placed onto the wheel and tightly secured by the two outer clamps. Then done for each of the other three wheels. Next, the front and rear wheel measuring heads are installed onto the wheel clamps. These transmit back to the main computer the information about the wheel's position. The system will then tell you to install the brake stop to stop the vehicle moving from its position. Now that the measuring heads are in place, the system can tell that the steering is not exactly pointing straight on. So using the graphic, it wants you to adjust the steering wheel until it is central. The great thing about this system is that you can also get the same information on your phone, meaning that you can see exactly what is required from wherever you are. So I was adjusting the steering wheel now, just try and get that so it's perfectly in line. Very, very sensitive. Slight little move, it's knocking this marker right over to the side. Oh, yeah! So now I've got to get is these units need to be square in that direction. So it's just lifting up and pushing down on this bit here. Like that. To get that bit square. Which is shown. Here we go, look, you can see. So now they're both square. It looks like it's in the middle. Hey look, the Beetle pickup we're building is still sat here, obviously, because this is where we're building it. Go take a look at my other videos if you're interested in that. Next, the system will take you through a calibration process before starting any measurements. So next it asks you to lock the steering wheel in position, so it's done that. So now after the system has been calibrated, we can see the results from the system itself. Here are the results from the rear wheel. We can see that the left wheel is slightly out and will need some adjustment. So underneath the car now, so I'm looking towards the back of the car. There's the back wheel obviously, and to alter the camber will be this one here, and it looks like it's this. So you need to loosen that, probably move that disc around which pushes that bolt either way, and we'll alter the camber on here so we'll be able to fix the camber setting. So we're just going to get its tools for that now. So now using the phone we can actually adjust it and check the adjustment. Oh, there you go, and she's gone green. So should these all be in the middle then, is that the best place? So would this need adjusting?
Anywhere in the greens.
Right. Simple as that, that's that one adjusted. So that's the rear now in spec, so what we're now looking at is what we need to adjust on the front. And it looks, let me show you the screen. So the front, this one is obviously out, so this is the front toe partial. So a couple more have come up there, so we just need to have a look at those. So this one where the toe in and toe out is the angle like that. So we're going to need to alter this one here, which is towards the steering rack. So using the remote screen, all of the further adjustments are now made under the vehicle. So that's it, she's all done now. So she's been on the machine and we've got everything in place and everything as it should be. So absolutely fantastic, great service here at MOT7. So now I know I can drive the car and I'm not going to wear out my tyres. Yeah, so I thought there'd be a lot more adjustment, but there wasn't really. So all adjustment was just very, very slight, and that's all now being done. So yeah, so now I can get the car out and get it back home, and job's a good one. So many thanks again for MOT7, and they've given me a 10% discount on any of this wheel tracking if you guys have wanted it done on your car. So you can bring it here, get 10% off the price, just quote Fun to Drive. I'll put it down below so you can actually get that discount. So once again, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then please give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks again, catch you soon.